Welcome back, Audie and Alia fan. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be fidgets. We're gonna be playing with fidgets, and today we're gonna be taking turns. Alia will go first, and then I'll go after her. Okay, Alia, you go first.
So first I have this little red, what do you call it again?
Marble masher.
Marble masher. And then I also have this little puppet that is also a keychain.
Okay, you're done with red. Now my turn. Red, I have the red marble mashers. I'm the one who gave her that one. I was gonna give her this one too. Wait, here, take it. Okay. And then I got this puppet as well. And then I got this fidget cube.
Okay,
You do yours.
so I only have one full orange, and it's this little fidget bracelet. That's also a puppet. Audrey, it's your turn.
I thought you had me.
I only have one orange.
I have this orange. Okay. Alias, yours. You're yellow.
Do you want me to take off your tag? So I'll take off your tag.
Hey, you just broke it.
No, you can't crunch the tag.
It's fine. I wear the tag.
And look.
Cool.
So I have two pop tubes. And there's another two pop tubes. Your turn.
I have this yellow bottle. It's me. But it's a choker. Back to you.
For green, I have this little.
You have nothing for blue. Hey, here's something for blue.
That's red.
This is blue.
For green, I have this
This
little
is a
pea popper. You call them
Peas in the pod.
peas in a pod, and these two side ones don't have any.
You have to pee in the pod.
And then there's two faces on each side on the middle one. That's yeah.
Okay. So I also have peas in the pod.
Veltini. Yeah, I gave him that. Except ours are darker.
Oh no, this does have a.
Huh? Can I go back?
Alright, kid. It has peas in it, and this is a little. Wait, what do you call them again?
Wait,
Squishmallow.
squish.
And a pop tube, and then I have a marble masher.
Marble.
Okay, back to you. Blue.
Then for blue, I have this leftover garbage from this.
Okay, now my turn. Alright, I have two marble mashers. One is light, one is dark. And then this is a light puppet bracelet.
Just like me.
And then we got another one, but as you can tell, it's much bigger and much stronger.
What's good?
See? And then we have this little fidget around thingy Suckamajiggy Fiddy. Yeah, and then I have lots of all gaming squishy. And it smells like blueberries. Back to you.
It's a robot.
Your last one, Pink.
For pink, I have a snow egg with scented, fluffy, light purple slime.
Okay, well now she's done, so I'm just gonna be showing you all my stuff. Alright, so I have a pink puppy. And then I have a pink cat, a pink sticky cat, like, yeah.
It can stick to the room.
Yeah. And then I have a white cat, and then I have a gray cat. But now the rainbow items, I have this like thingamajiggy. It's a puzzle ball. The puzzle ball. And then I have this octagon cube. No, octagon fidget. Fidget octagon. Yeah. That's it. Fidget cube and fidget octagon. And then I had this squishy with rainbow things and
Okay, don't go into it.
and this is Simple Dimple.
Yeah, 100%.
Super fun.
I'm not sure where you stand. And then
This is a
other
rule
ones
sheet.
that need like a continuation.
Yes.
And that's it. Bye bye.
Hold on. And for my rainbow item, I have. Bye!